lunchtime walk. We're gonna go get a coffee. This morning I had a bunch of meetings, but it's been a productive day already so far. I had a very early night and it's the first sunny day in absolutely ages. So we're gonna make the most of it and go about 25 minutes to a new place near a bakery that we like, and then head home and carry on working the rest of the day. I'm going to see a film this evening in Angel, and I'm going to go see the new Anora film. There's a little kitty. This is often what happens on our walks. What are you up to? Morning walk today to try and chase the sunshine. I had a bit of a later night than I wanted to because I went to see the film. Had a very yummy brekkie this morning, ciabatta, chicken and avocado, and now we're going to go around Highbury Fields and maybe grab a coffee somewhere. Hold you tight, silent whispers. From St John Bakery, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you look like a toucan.
Sorry. Oh, that's lovely and moist, I tell you.
Is it? Even though it's been sat out?
Yeah. Well, it's
good.
been in a little thing, and it's very cinnamony. I like it.
Ooh, nice.
It's like a cinnamon bun.
It has been one of those mornings where you realise you haven't got breakfast in, you've dropped your eyeshadow palette and it's smashed everywhere. So I'm just heading in a little bit later than usual, but I wanted to actually just quickly share an experience that I had. Monday when I was going to the cinema, there was this like really invasive incident and it just made me feel a bit uncomfortable, and I reported it to the Met Police, expecting nothing really to happen, but potentially it would just help them have a record of it. And I actually spoke with the police officer this morning and it was a really, really positive experience and super helpful. So even if you think that it's nothing, to all of like the women, girls out there, like no one starts with a serious crime, not often. It starts somewhere, and the sooner that we can catch that and actually do something about it, like, was really, really refreshing to see. Later, I'm meeting a friend for a meal nearby where I work, and that's about it. I will catch you later. The place is called Mary. You, of course, need a board of all famous Marys. Right, the verdict is in for quite a good price, would you say? I think that was £2.85. Coffee's normal, but this protein box was £8.25. And it's basically like Farmer J, but an independent in London. So, love that. And now we're just going to eat before work. We came after work to Winter Lodge and we got a little selection of starters. What did you go for main?
We went for calamari, fritters, and wings.
Wings, they were good, okay. And then I got like an orzo, and then we just had little bits for dessert also. Food, like, kind of mediocre, but we had a good yap. We had a good, and I like the theme. I think if you, the rum punch was very nice.
That was brilliant. That was brilliant. The Caribbean meets skiing is certainly two themes.
It's a contrast.
Themes that happen together. After Highbury.
It works. We're random. Oh my god, I'm so random.
Lost in time, hold you.
Top deck winning. I am having a... Oh, this is bumpy. So I feel like because I've had this surgery, the rest of this vlog is probably not as interesting as it could be. So a voiceover now is just going to have to do. We still managed to get out and enjoy the sunshine in Victoria Park. Don't tell my surgeon though, I was only supposed to go on a brisk walk about a week after the surgery if I felt up to it. However, I just saw the sunshine and knew in between taking naps that I absolutely had to get some sun on my face. The painful part, however, was looking at all of the gorgeous food around here that I wasn't allowed to eat. I was on a liquid diet and it had to be room temperature for the first few days. And then because I was feeling sorry for myself, hopped on the Met line to go and see my mum and get a little bit of sympathy. She also had her autumn school fete that day, which was very, very wholesome. Watched all the kiddos toasting marshmallows. Of time to chill and reflect, rest up, have some ice packs, painkillers, trash TV, and it made me just think about this week of how lucky I am to have such beautiful sunny autumn days, green spaces in the city, and also be so close to the countryside that I can hop off to whenever I need to, and I just feel really, really grateful.